Well, here's the update. This is nearly May now. It's still quite cold actually, but hopefully most of the frosts will be over. I've started to move some of the plants that were inside just out to a sort of an undercover area, so they're still protected. So we've got the colocasia there, which really didn't like it inside, so hopefully it will start to perk up a little bit now that the warmer weather's on its way. The Acer is just starting to come to life. It's a bit later than a lot of the other trees I've seen around, but I think it's because we're north facing and it's just not getting as much light, sunshine, but it will, and it's starting to come. So it's so cute. Tiny little leaves. So we've still got this sad looking cordyline palm to the left, sort of sloping over, and I do think I'll lose that, but I'm going to leave it there because it may shoot again. We'll just see. And this tetrapanax papyrifer, I'm feeling very sad about that. Well, I was yesterday, and I came out again today and had another look. Let's see if I can show you. I spotted some growth, and I'm absolutely over the moon because I really did think, despite being told that it would come again, I'd read on some Facebook pages how lots of people had lost them this winter. So I'm absolutely overjoyed. Roger would be so chuffed if he was here that had come through, because I think, as I say, we thought I thought it had gone. And here we have the gunnera, and it's starting to grow now. Here we go, look, and the piece that I'm going to show you here is going to be cut off because it's overtaking the garden, so I'm going to donate that to my son's garden. He'll come round and take some of that, and he's got an ideal space for it. And look at these ferns, just starting to grow, unfurl themselves, looking a bit sort of sad, but they're not. They're fully watered, and they will be magnificent in another couple of weeks, I'm sure. Excuse the camera angle here, but here's the tree fern, and look, you can just see it survived the winter, and the fronds are just starting to unfurl, so there'll be more on that to follow. And here we have the shuttlecock fern, named because it looks like a shuttlecock. And again, I do love this time of the year where they're starting to open up. They look so lovely. And more ferns here. I can't remember the name of this one. I'll have to look that up, unless somebody knows and can tell me. That would be great. And look at this elm tree. Look, it's a little bonsai. It's very old now. And they look so great when they just start to open in the new spring. Fresh leaves. Just have to make sure I water it. It's in a shady spot, which is the best thing for it. And it probably needs a prune. But got plenty of time. And finally, the last clip for today, the bluebells are starting to open, and then in the background we've got the dicentra, bleeding heart it's known as. That's looking really good at the moment. So all in all, yeah, I'm starting to feel happy about the garden again after a long winter. I do hope you've enjoyed this update. Please like and subscribe and comment, and hope to see you again soon.